Hey, people. Heaven here. Decided to do a quick follow-up onto my movie. Try to keep up. Gravity's non-existent. Every object, mass, and item gets calculated by a singular algorithm. At least was its origin. A single human started it. A single existence. A creator. What I mean is the system calculates the weight of a simple object and its behavior. Its supposed jump height by its mass and weight, and replicates it by multiplying or dividing bases on its scale. From plankton nanoscale to human scale to supernova stars and anything space-related. It creates what is called gravity, but it's relative. It doesn't exist. Relative, perception-wise, not absolute. Black holes are the base of existence. The gravity that exists on this reality and that doesn't exist in space gets formed by black holes. It's what keeps the planets floating. The cosmic weight is upholded by the black holes that literally create and form the bendable space that scientists talk and theorize about. It's why they are at the core of each galaxy and why some get perceived as quantum entangled. It's not science, it's not magic. Without the black holes, the cosmic weight scale wouldn't exist to even create the bendable space, or to make the planets or stars float. Stop lying and wake up. You people add intentional complexity that shouldn't be there. It works on a cosmic fundamental kindergarten level. You people have broken reality and split it with the past 30 years of education, starting with Einstein that mimics that of a kindergartner in the cosmic grand scale of galactic civilizations. They wonder how ancient civilization could build the pyramids. Know so much of geometry and astronomy without the equations and the scientific explanations. Simple, they ain't needed. Your educational system has to be reshaped. You people are explaining supposedly the fundamental basics of life, as if you're about to code and create another universe of your own. You haven't revolutionized anything. The universe, the cosmos, and time itself are not expanding. They are collapsing inward. It's moving inwards on your definitions, not outwards. Time, or what you all perceive as time, along with the timelines themselves, is reversing, streaming backward, and projecting inwards. The universe has an expiration date, and they know it. Imagine someone teaching children or telling humanity from the beginning of life, every day, with each ticking second, that there's a chance it could all end. So they didn't. Why? Because they noticed since the supposed moon landing that the humans united for the first time after world wars, so they continued lying. You don't mass panic scare when the problem doesn't have a solution and it's final. Why? Because everything is self-collapsing inward faster than the speed of light. They tried to foreshadow this with what they call the Great Attractor. Reality is relative. Theory of relativity. What I call perception. What happens when we reach that point and it has collapsed? Good question. Maybe a reboot, maybe a complete erasure. Wake up and stay safe. I'm not bullshitting. If what I'm saying is correct that it is, we're out of time. Oh, and flaking about time. Say hi, Albert. In reality, there ain't even time. It's the example of the world spinning. Time is like a dot, spinning on its axis, always in present time, just giving the deception of moving forward. As it spins, it forms informations that are divided and read into the ether. Now imagine two dots without touching. The higher dimension. It's why I stated in reality there's only two parallel universes. They command and direct them both, re-engineered them on reverse image, what they form in the middle. A simple database, a greed of brains. Call it servers mixed with the SIDs that form shells. Yes? Mostly a joke of formulation, but this smiley actually fits describing it. They talk of string theories, vibrations, and frequencies, but all of those are building blocks of the outside, not the inside. Photons are instantaneous. It's neither a brain problem, perception intentionally delayed as an illusion. They keep track of reality better this way. 1 second to 8-minute rule. Imagine the internal MS delay if it would have been within an online computer game. They are doing all this intentionally, as if somebody would have skipped class 18 years, never learning the basics, the building blocks of the ground foundation, but instead, forced to learn how the whole construction works, without the necessary informations. Unnecessary informations in our situation. I vow for my informations. I will repeat it and state it again. I have actually time traveled, but it doesn't instantly enlighten the human brain even if the informations are there. So it's kind of hard describing most of this in human terms. I know that this will get attention by the end because all I'm stating is real. Remember two stuff, virus and Singularity X, and go watch the whole movie while you still can, and it's still there. Heaven out. 1805-25, X 72 hours.